Hello everyone, this is Dr. Reza Akef, and this is one of the videos from the series of patient education. And in this video, I would like to talk about the very common questions that I'm getting from my clients. And this question is, why we are not getting the maximum result that we should get from the skin products that we're using. We're using very high quality, very professional lines, but still we are not getting the result that we are expecting. Is there any problem with how we use the product? Is there any problem of our skin? Is there any problem with the actual product by itself? To answer this question, I have to tell you that it can be any of them. That's why most of the lines that we have in the market as a professional lines, they need a very good consultation with a physician or with a healthcare professional who has enough knowledge about the skin, about the physiology of the most of the medical conditions or skin condition, and they have to tell you what is the best product for you. And that's why these professional lines are not available in the regular pharmacy or drugstores or stores. And you have to get it from the aesthetic or cosmetic clinics after a very good consultation. Otherwise, you might not get the result, or in some situation, you might even get a reverse effect or even a complications or side effects, because some of the ingredients are very strong and they can damage the skin if they are not used in the proper way. So part of the aging of the skin, as when you're young, uh, if you look at the different layers of the skin, we have in the surface of the skin, we have mostly living cells, and we have very small amount of dead cells that protecting the surface of the skin. But by the aging process, part of it can be genetic, can be part of it because of the environment, like a sun damage or other damages to the skin. The dead part of the skin is going to get thicker and thicker, and the thickness of the skin doesn't let the product get into the deep layers, and they don't have the proper function that they should have. For example, your skin is going to get dehydrated because they're losing the water and they cannot protect the skin. How we can help you to make the skin products more efficient and more effective for you. So definitely there are different type of ways that treatments that we can take these dead cells from the surface of your skin and make your skin more ready for the skin product to get effective. One of these treatments, it's what's really called the microdermabrasion. This is a very simple treatment with very minimal downtime, almost no pain. It's a very simple device. It has a kind of rough surface that it can be the crystals or some other type of materials. So basically, we are rubbing this rough surface to your skin, and we are taking out the dead skin out of your skin layer, and then the living cells that are going to be more exposed, they come to the surface, and they are now your skin is ready for absorption of the skin product. So it's going to give you a better skin texture, helps you with the skin quality, and also absorption of the skin product. There are different devices in the market, but in my clinic, I always use devices that are Health Canada approved, and they have a very high standard and very high technology. And again, this is a very minimal procedure, minimal invasive procedure with minimal downtime. It usually needs a series of sessions of treatment. And after the treatment, you most probably need to use a very good sunscreen because your skin might get a little bit sensitive to the sun. You have to use a very good moisturizer because the first day after the microdermabrasion, you might have a more dry skin and some peeling, and that needs a moisturizer. You have to drink good water to keep yourself hydrated. Can you go back to your work? Yes, because the downtime of this treatment is very, very minimal. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks again for watching this video. Thank you.